First we have the battery isolator. This will be switched off for storage and simply switch it on. Right, general engine checks. First off, open the bonnet. This is done simply, use the key in the hole. And there we go. First thing you see when you open the bonnet, coolant level. The tractor has been running. If the tractor's been running, you won't get a true reading. So from cold, this will either be at the high mark or between the two. Gauze in the radiator. After it's been used, this will collect grass. So simply undo this screw, pull out the gauze, bang it on the tyre, screen back in, screw back in. Then moving on to the engine oil. The dipstick will have white paint on it so you can identify it. Remove the dipstick, wipe the dipstick, back in again, and check for your level. Another thing to keep an eye on and do a check, which isn't a daily check, is your fan belt tension. This is loose, it causes the tractor to overheat, so that is something to keep an eye on. Moving around to the rear of the tractor, pre-start checks now. We have the transmission and hydraulic oil. This dipstick is also painted white so you can identify it. Remove the dipstick, wipe it, back in, remove it, and check the level. Right, general grease points on this model of tractor. We have grease point on the steering ram, both ends, an axle pivot, front and back. At the rear of the tractor, we've got a grease point on your adjustable arm here. Also, point to grease is the threads on the top link. If you don't grease these, they'll wear out very quickly.